Happy Monday, boys and girls. I have to tell you, we're almost done with kindergarten. You are so ready for first grade. Can you believe it? I think you all need to just stay in kindergarten with me next year. That's what I think. Yes, let's just plan on doing that, okay? Oh, I could hear you all going, no, we have to go to first grade. Now listen, you had better come and see me when you get to school. I'm going to be right across the hallway. Okay. We have a new service word and we have a new sound. Now I know that we learned a rule that said when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. But this is not the case with these letters. Okay? They do not follow that rule. They're rule breakers. Yes, they are. And have you noticed there's so many rule breakers in our language? I know. So, when you see OI, and it's usually in the middle of a word or towards the beginning of a word, it says oi. Oi. It's kind of a fun sound to make, don't you think? Say it with me. Oi. Now, I have to tell you that OY, when you see them together like this, also says the exact same sound. Oi. Oi. And usually you will find this toward the end of the word. Oi. Unless it's a compound word. That's two words that are put together. Then the OY would say oi, like, I was thinking boyfriend, but I don't know if that's compound word or two separate words. I'll have to look that one up. Okay, are you ready to learn two new word families? We are going to put an L on the end of oi. Oi, ol. Say it with me. Oi, ol. Oil. Oil is our new word family. Now remember, sometimes the word family is a word. And today, for this one, it is. Oil. Oil. Mr. Tebbens uses oil when he cooks and roasts our vegetables. Oil. Now, let's put some letters right here to make some more words, okay? I just never know. I always think I put it upside down. I am sorry about that. Oil. Oil. Soil. We plant seeds in the soil. Now I'm going to put the T sound in the front. T says t, t. Oi, ol. Toil. Say it with me. Toil. That means to work hard. Toil. The people will toil outside in the fields. That means to work hard. You probably don't use that word a lot. Toil. All right, I'm going to change it. This is something that you probably will find in your kitchen, in a drawer, or in the pantry. You use it to wrap food up sometimes or to put on a pan. oil, oil, foil, foil. We wrapped the leftovers in foil. Foil. Say it with me. Foil. Good job. Okay. Here's another thing that's going to go on in the kitchen. B says b, oil. Boil, boil. Make sure you get the water to boil before you put the pasta in. Boil, say it with me, b-oil, boil. Okay, now I'm going to put a consonant. Whoa, I was putting that one a little backwards. I'm going to move it over a little bit. I'm going to put a consonant blend of S-P. Sp, oil, oil, spoil, spoil. Don't leave the milk on the counter. It will spoil. That means it'll go bad. Or it also can be used like this. Sometimes I really like to spoil the children with extra colored pencils. See, you can use it two different ways. Say it with me. Spoil. Spoil. Good job, boys and girls. So now let's move on to the other oi sound. Say it with me now. This oi is not a word. Oi. So now we're going to put a letter in the front to make a word. And I think you're going to like this word a lot. Oi. Toy. Toy. Have you gotten a new toy since the last time I've seen you? Toy. Toy. Say it with me. Toy. All right. Oi. Joy. Joy. Being your teacher gives me so much joy. Joy. Say it with me. Joy. Now look, I'm going to do this because sometimes you might meet someone. Usually I'm pretty sure it'll be a lady or a girl. And, well, lady is a girl, but I meant grown up. Joy can be joy, a name. My friend has a daughter named Joy. Joy. All right, you want to hear a boy's name? Oy. Roy. Roy. Mr. Tebbens went to high school with a boy named Roy. Roy. Okay. Now this is something you cook with, or it's also in beans. Well, they're called soybeans, actually. Okay, you ready? Soy. 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 It's an ingredient. Is it a... I don't... I'll have to look that one up. Okay, I have a sentence though. Mrs. Tebbens cannot eat soy. I cannot eat anything with soy in it. Soy. All right, last one. Are you ready, gentlemen? B says... Oi. Boy. Are you a girl or a boy? I had 6 wonderful boys in my kindergarten class this year. See there, I put an S on the end. Let's see. Let's do that. Boys. I love the boys that are in my classroom. And by the way, ladies, you girls out there, I love you too. We also had 6 wonderful girls too. And I miss you still. Okay. So we have oi, and oi. And you're going to see those on your papers today. Let me give you a quick show. But before I do that, I want to introduce you to our new service word. It rhymes with last week's service word. Remember last week's service word? Are you saying it? Do. Do you want to see the new word? Even if you say no, here it is. Who? Who? Who is knocking at my door? Who? I wonder who will be your first grade teacher. Who? Doesn't matter though, you will love both of those ladies. Now, here we go. We've got oil and oi. And it says, color the hat if the picture has the vowel sound you hear in oil. So you're looking for oi. Oil, 80, coin. Did you hear it? Me too. Boy. Did you hear it? Hand. Cowboy. Now here's a compound word. Remember when I was saying boyfriend? When I was saying it's not always at the end. Sometimes it is. This is a toy box. Toy box. But you know what? Toy box is not a compound word. But we're going to put it together and call it toy box for the oi sound. But it's really 2 different words. King. Grapes. All right, on the back, circle the correct word for each picture. By the way, don't forget your name, please. So we have boy, toy, joy, boil, soil, foil, and see those words in the yellow rectangle? I want you to say those. Say those. Boil, soil, oil, toil, boy, soy, joy, toy. And that's a beautiful Bible verse. The joy of the Lord is your strength. Nehemiah 8:10. Okay, and there's one more. There is the chart, oyster, coin, toy box. See, toy box, 2 different words, boys and girls. Cowboy. There's D's. Now, you have to circle the right word that will fit in the sentence. He has a toy. That's going to boil. He is a boy. And that pot needs some, not going to tell you. Okay, and you also have a new phonics paper story. Beak is the name of that guy. I want you to read those words. Then have someone ask you those questions. And you answer them with one of those sentences. And then make it even more fun have them mix up the sentences. So you have to find the answer. And then please read those. All right, boys and girls. Say hi to Fuzz. I hope you have a great Monday. And Mrs. Tebbens loves you to the moon and back. And back again and back again and back again. Bye for now.